Hi, my name is Tom Prowse and I'm a data school consultant from the 14th cohort here at the Information Lab. Today I'm going to be going through how to use the Wildcard Union feature within Tableau Prep. This is a super useful feature when working with various files or database tables from a single data source, as you can union data into a single input step. For this demonstration, I'm going to be using data from the 2019 Week 45 Prep and Data Challenge, which looks at sales across different days for different stores, and we're going to combine them all into one input step. So taking a look at the data here, as you can see, we have 5 files for Clapham, 5 for Wimbledon, and then a dates file here. All of these are CSV files, so therefore we can use Tableau Prep to use this as a wildcard union. So going into Tableau Prep, I'm going to connect to the data using the connection pane on the top left-hand corner. I know it's a CSV file, so I'm going to select text. Then from here, I'm going to just choose my first Clapham Friday file. Now, as you can see, this has just brought the one file in at the moment. Therefore, I'm going to use the multiple files selection and then select Wildcard Union. Now, there are some various steps within this part of Tableau Prep. First, we have the searching. So this will allow you to search and select which directory you would like to select. So for now, I'm just going to use the input. You can also include subfolders in this by ticking this box, but for now, I'm just going to leave that blank. The next part down is the files. From here, you can include or exclude. So for this case, I'm going to include. And then finally, we can type in our matching pattern. So for this scenario, I want to include just the sales from my Clapham store from Monday to Friday. Therefore, I'm going to write the word Clapham and then place a star after that. So the star is our wildcard, and we'll pick up any characters after the word Clapham. So as you can see, we've got Clapham space Friday.csv. So we'll pick up all of these with the word Clapham. I'm going to press enter and notice how my included files have now changed to Monday to Friday for Clapham and none of the others for Wimbledon or the dates. Therefore, I'm going to press apply and this updates my file. And then when I can click onto the view and clean data, notice how all of my files from Monday to Friday are now within my workflow. And that's saved me a lot of time with connecting to different data sources and having lots of inputs within the workflow. The second example I'm going to show you is if I want to only keep files for both of my stores for all of the days. So I want to get rid of that dates file. So again, I've brought the data source into here and I'm going to choose multiple files. Again, wildcard union. This time I'm going to not change anything from the search because I want it to still be in my input, but I'm going to choose exclude instead of include. Now I want to include all of the files for Clapham, all of them for Wimbledon, so I'm going to exclude the dates file here. So again, I can write dates, star, press enter, and notice how dates has now disappeared. If I press apply and then bring in a new clean step, as you can see, I have files for all of my stores and all of the days of the week. And that is everything for the wildcard input within Tableau Prep. So hopefully this will save you some time in the future and make your workflows a lot more streamlined. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and take a look at the next video in this series, which is all about using the profile pane.